Why hate? Hello, all you beautiful souls out there, my social media family. How are you doing today? My name's Chris, and I'm here to help you find your happiness. In today's video, we're going to be talking about hate. And so this particular topic was brought up, or actually inspired by someone who's been hating on my videos for absolutely no reason at all. And when you think about it, all my videos are extremely positive. There's nothing that I'm saying out there that's causing anybody any damage or, causing other people to feel like I'm putting them down or belittling them or anything like that. But yet there's somebody out there, and I know exactly who they are, that has been giving me the thumbs down on the last 5 of my videos. And so if you're watching this, I'm asking you why? Like, what is going on in your life that's so horrible that you have to hate on me over a video that I did with a friend of mine? I don't get it. But anyways, the question for the rest of you out there is, if you are finding any sort of hate in your heart, I want you to stop for a minute, and I want you to understand that all of your actions that you do while under that mindset are attracting back into your life the exact same thing. The exact same thing. So why in the world would you want to think hateful, speak hateful, act hateful? It doesn't make any sense. And trust me, I've been there. I've been at a point in my life where I was so angry with the things that people had done to me, and I was so angry at myself, and it was being expressed in a very aggressive and negative manner. And so what I'm encouraging you today is to stop for a moment and ask yourself, why am I acting this way? What am I trying to attract? What is it that I really truly am desiring from the outcome of my actions? And if you can pause for a moment and understand that when you are acting out or lashing out in a hateful way, that it is extremely, extremely detrimental to your well-being and the well-being of others. So when that happens, I want you to again ask yourself, what is the specific outcome that you want to happen from your actions? And if it's anything other than being painful and hurtful and spiteful towards someone, ask yourself, why in the world would you want to do that? Because that's exactly what you're attracting back into your life, okay? So if you're hoping for any sort of a positive outcome with anybody, mostly yourself, again, why hate? All right, everybody, I hope that you found that video helpful. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. And whatever you do, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well. It would really mean a lot to me. Aside from that, please, please, please share this video with somebody who you think might benefit from it, because we never know when the right words from the right person are gonna hit somebody at the right time and help them find their happiness. Until next time, I'm sending y'all much love. Namaste.